Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Dandelion Seed in Heartopia game Festival update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Festival event update has been released in Heartopia and you will see the Festival event challenge here. And I'm going to show you the gardening challenge. Okay, and for the flowers gardening challenge guys, you need to have the dandelion seeds, and I'm going to show you how you can get the dandelion seeds. So guys, if you want to buy the flower seeds in Heartopia, you need to unlock level 2 in your gardening hobby. Well, let me show you my current level. Okay, I'm level 5 in the gardening hobby, so I can unlock the flower seed. We need to go to the Blang's gardening store if you want to buy the flower seed. Go to Blang's gardening store and you can buy the dandelion seeds right here. So this is Festival limited flower seed. So they are only available during the festival event. You can purchase it here, but remember that you can only purchase the dandelion seed when you have level 2 in your gardening hobby. And I'm going to show you guys the Blang's location. Okay, she's right here at the garden street. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the Dandelion Seed in Heartopia game new festival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!